How's it going, you guys? Welcome back to Unorthodox Savings. So right now I am suffering from terrible allergies and my sinuses are swollen. So in today's video I'm going over SOFI stock. So a lot of the time this is going to be the screen of the website and the stock prices I'm going over. So I already apologize in advance for Squidward narrating this entire video, but today I'm going over SOFI stock, telling you what I plan on doing in the short term, the long term. I'm giving you a price prediction and telling you everything you need to know about this company because I am super bullish on this, and I think within 1 to 2 years from now, this is going to be one of those companies you're going to seriously regret not investing in now. As always, this isn't financial advice, and on this channel, I never try to sell you guys anything. I have no affiliate links to this. I have no partnerships with this company at all. I just really do like what they offer, and financially, I think they're really smart. So without wasting any more time, I'm going to go into SOFI stock price. Right now, the time I'm making this video is around $15 a share. At its all-time high, it was at $28.26, and its 52-week low was $10.10, which is actually the price it got listed at when it first went public at the end of November in 2020. And then if you look at the 3-month price chart, it is down 30%. So if you swing trade stocks off a price analysis, this is really good so far. And if you look at the last week, it went down a little bit. I ended up thinking it was going to go higher than $16 a share, but it didn't. So in this video, I'm also letting you guys know that I swing trade the stock in the short term, and I also have a long-term position. Any profits I make in the short term, this ended up getting added to my long-term position anyways. But at the price it's at now, I think it's a huge steal. And just to give you a price prediction is flat out, it's just you don't have to watch the entire video if you don't want to. I do predict that within the next 2 to 3 months, you're easily going to see this go over $20 a share, and probably even more. And within a year or two, I see this following the same path as Ally Bank. And if you look at Ally Bank is already around $52 a share, which is a great trajectory for the stock. Now, the reason why I think this stock is going to shoot up so much in the short term is because the NFL season started and SoFi sponsors the Rams Stadium, which they have partnerships with, which I'll go ahead and explain right now. If you go on SoFi's website, you can also download the app, but right down on the website, they offer you $10 in Bitcoin if you make your first crypto trade, $100 and receive your paycheck up to 2 days early, and then you can also get up to $930 when you move your money to SoFi from one account to the other. You can also lock in a new low student rate, which they offer competitive rates from just about any other website or any other bank you see. The number one selling point on this company is that they offer everything for your finances in one stop. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through everything and then double back on the Rams Stadium and explain why it's gonna make the price go up so much. You can invest your money through them. Just put your money in a bank account or a checking account, get personal loans, check your credit score, and also set a budget on here. You can get student loan refinancing, home loans. You can also get a credit card, which you can use at the Rams Stadium, get extra perks and extra points from the credit card. So it makes everything cheaper if you are a fan. And with the advertisement there at the games, more people are going to become more aware of this company, end up joining, which is going to make them do very well in the short term, and especially for the next quarter. You can get insurance to them, whether that's home or auto loan refinancing, private student loans, and then as of right now, you can get points for the money you use, and then that can also be redeemable for cash, fractional shares of stocks, or SoFi loan payments and more. So you can literally use the checking, savings account, and credit cards, spend money with those cards and accounts, then use that to pay off your loans, which can be used for student loans as well, or you can get fractional shares of stocks, which I think is super smart for people who are newer to investing and don't know how to pay off their debt right away, because it makes everything about financial literacy super easy because it's all in one app. They have 2 million members right now, $100 million saved in vaults, $22 billion in debt paid off, $59 billion in funded loans. They're featured on CNBC, Forbes, NerdWallet, and Real Simple. They're FDIC insured up to $1.5 million. They have 24/7 account monitoring. The investments are SIPC protected up to $500K. And then their customer service also has live support, which I've used personally. It's literally just you press a button for what problem you have and you get a live representative right away. There's no robots, they answer really fast, and they're super polite. Like I said, this company is super underrated, and a lot of analysis or anything like that has come out have not been all that positive. But in the recent days, you are starting to see a huge uptick in people talking about the stock, posting about the stock in forums, YouTube, Reddit, anything like that. So I really do see a pump coming soon in the short term. In the long term, I mean anything over a year, I'm predicting around a year to 2 years, you're gonna see this get up to around $50 a share, which I think is really good, because if you hold from now to then, you really don't have to worry about any fluctuations in price because it's already gonna be up that much. And for this company alone, even my long-term position, I'm not going to sell in a year or two. I'm gonna keep on holding this for at least 5+ years because I really do believe this company, and I actually use some of their perks myself. But like I said before, I have nothing to sell you guys. I have no affiliate links. So when I talk about the website and the different perks they offer, my advice to you guys is just go on the website or download the app and just share it with a friend and just piggybacking off each other so you guys can both get the free money and then just go from there. As of right now, the stock does not pay a dividend, but I see in a long term that they may offer a small one just because a lot of banks do offer them, and this seems to be taking more of a banking route. So I see within like 3 years from now, you could see a possible dividend for this, but for right now, that is still unsure. So that's all I have for this video. If you want to know what I'm doing in the short-term trading for this stock, feel free to join my Discord below. Like I said before, I'm never going to sell you guys anything. My goal of Discord is just have a community where people can discuss stocks, and then you don't have to talk. You can just sit there and watch what I talk about when I short-term trade. You can watch me win some, lose some, and it's just a good place overall if you want to learn about investing or talk to me in the short term, because that's where I'll be most of the time. So thank you guys very much for your support. I really do appreciate all of you. I will do more updated videos in the future as more news comes out about the stock. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time.